Hi, my name is Jenny and I am a food lover and cooking enthusiast. My channel is for anyone who loves food. Let's try out new recipes together. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update. So here is a Niçoise salad. It is simple to make and delicious. First, we prepare the vinaigrette. Take 2 garlic cloves and grate them with the grater. Snip a few sprigs of fresh tarragon. Put in a saucepan and add 100 milliliters of white wine vinegar and 50 milliliters of water. Gently warm together for 3 to 4 minutes, then leave to infuse for 30 minutes. Next, slowly add 200 milliliters extra virgin olive oil and whisk in the 10 milliliters of smooth Dijon mustard. Now let's cook the other ingredients. Boil a saucepan of water, add 200 grams of French beans seasoned with salt, and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Take 3 cool, hard-boiled eggs, 7 minutes, peel and quarter. Boil 7 new potatoes until soft, 10 minutes, then rinse in cold water. When cool, slice into pieces 1 centimeter thick. Finely slice 1 red onion. Slice the now cooked beans. Open a tin 225 grams of good quality tin tuna in spring water and drain. Also, for this recipe, you will need 22 small cherry tomatoes and 80 grams pitted green or black olives. Take a large bowl and throw in the lettuce leaves, potatoes, onions, olives and tomatoes, tuna, beans. Place the egg quarters on top. Then dress the salad with the vinaigrette and toss. Serve immediately. Your family will love this classic Niçoise French salad. As you can see, many of the ingredients might already be in your fridge. Watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more easy, delicious ideas.